guys, good morning everyone. So, ngayon mag-online contract renewal tayo. So, the first thing to do is we're going to Google and then search sa contract authentication. Ayan. And then, select natin yung individual contract verification. Kasi guys, ngayon wala na siyang walk-in. So, dito sa Hong Kong, so lahat na lang is online. Online appointment booking for individual contract verification. Ayan. Important reminder. Ayan. Need natin malaman for employers. Ayan. Ayan yung instructions. At need natin bayaran yung verification fee, 80. OWA membership, 196. So, kailangan natin hingiin sa ating mga employer. For the first time here in Hong Kong, yan, kailangan din natin shoulder yan, shoulder ng ating mga employer yan. So you need to get the payment from them. And ito na yon yung ano natin, available time, tayong mamimili kung anong oras or date na kailangan natin pumunta. Ayan, so ito lang yung ano available. Kasi Friday and Saturday, sarado yung consulate. So, ito lang yung available time nila. Available dates, 14, 15, 16, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 26, 27, 28, 29. So, yan na lang yung available date nila. So, dito sa 14, Tuesday, ang available time nila is 2 to 4 p.m. So, I'm not available that time. So, try natin yung 15. Ayun guys, dito ako pwede, Miyerkules, November 15. So, dito ako pwede sa 9 to 9 to 11 or 12 to 2. Dito ako pwede. So, baka dito na lang ako sa 9 to 11. Ayan, para medyo maga. Ito na yan. Please confirm that you would like to request the following appointment. Ayan, individual contract verification. Ayan, November 15, 9 to 11 a.m. Your information, kailangan nating fill upan tong Please enter your first name, last name, and email address. First name, last name, ayan. Employer's full name. Worker's mobile number. Worker's passport number. DA's contract number. Purpose of application. Yan, i-choose mo yun. So, ang i-choose mo is renewal contract. And then, yung e-registration number, ilagay mo dyan. And then, request appointment. So, ganun lang guys. Ganun lang kadali yung pag-online ng contract para hindi na hassle sa atin. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching.